Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand involves a data frame with a column A containing numeric values. The goal is to calculate the percentage change of these values and display the results in a new column called PCT_change. Now, here's where the problem arises. The first value from the PCT_change column should compare against a fixed value of 40, but when using the PCT_change method, we end up with a pesky NaN for this particular entry. Let's see how we can efficiently resolve this dilemma. So the solution to our problem lies in leveraging the PCT_change method with a handy keyword argument called fill_value. By setting fill_value to 40, we can ensure that the calculation includes this predetermined value when computing the percentage change. This fill_value parameter comes to our rescue by allowing us to replace missing or invalid entries with the specified default value. It's a neat and streamlined way to address the initial hiccup we encountered with the first entry in the PCT_change column. Continuing with our solution, after implementing the PCT_change method with the fill_value set to 40, we can further multiply the results by 100 to display the percentage change in a clearer format. This succinct and efficient approach not only provides us with accurate percentage change values, but also maintains consistency throughout the PCT_change column. Our data frame now showcases the A values alongside their respective percentage changes, elegantly resolving the initial challenge we faced. In conclusion, we've successfully navigated through a common data processing problem by harnessing the power of the fill_value parameter in the PCT_change method. By incorporating this insightful solution, we've enhanced the accuracy and coherence of our data analysis process. Remember, efficiency and precision are key when working with data transformations. Keep exploring new techniques and functionalities to streamline your workflow. Until next time, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!